Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to do is make a functional for unsubscribe. Okay, so let's get started. I open the project on my web storm, where usually we have two folder, client and server, and server side which web socket server, and client which PubSub client we are built in our service. So need to do open on my terminal, change to project and cd to server side, and we need to run npm run dev to start backend server WebSocket server, and open new tab on my terminal and change to client and npm start. Okay, so I'm going to open the HTML file on my browser. So I need to open Finder and open it in my browser. You should see a clock. I will increase the font in my console. You can see it better. Okay, so here is a method when we subscribe and see in the crowd in browser. And for example, we have a window.ps.public, a new method to ABC, and methods like body equal height. So we receive exactly the same method when we do subscribe. And I will open this in Google Chrome and see another method public. Right. So cool. And restart a bit in my file. Okay. Oh, so now I'm going to broadcast new by ps window.ps.broadcast new method to ABC group with the methods body. Hi. So exactly methods on Firefox we see. So I want to do in this video is unsubscribe. So I want to make a new function for window.ps.unsubscribe topic. So I don't want to receive any more methods coming from ABC topic. So I want to make a function like that. So that means after run this function unsubscribe, and I will no longer receive messages from anyone to publish so how to do that? Okay, so the first thing I need to do in client, open in the file, I will need to make a new function equal to dot unsubscribe equal to unsubscribe by this, and we may have a subscribe equal this dot subscribe dot by this, but as some more binding function public dot public by this. Okay, so it's some kind of binding function we need to add. So this unsubscribe function, we need to the methods we do need to define it. So I will add it on top of subscribe. Subscribe. So first parameter equal topic. So I think it should be topic only. Then put some comments. So unsub a topic. No longer receive new methods of the topic. Right, so what we need to do is, let's see, is a listener when we subscribe a new topic, we add a new listener, and we listener the push and send. So with subscription, I think we do need put some more like the topic and listener equal exactly listener right here. I'm sorry, copy listener. Right, so we got a listen subscription with an array with the topic name, its callback, and the listener. So we need to do the first thing we do need to remove local listener. Yeah. So we do need to make some kind of a function listener.remove. To the first thing you need to do. But how do we check a listener or topic? And subwrite topic with a callback. I think we can do like this by cause listener equal. But the first thing we need to do is a cause subscription equal z.subscription dot file. Where is topic? I'm sorry, it should be subscription. And where subscription should be shorter. Dot topic name should be subscription is the name of topic and equal exactly topic. And here we do like that by if subscription and subscription dot listener, and then we can call this by listener equal exactly subscription dot listener and remove that. And secondly, I want to do this. We need to tell to the server side that not I don't want to receive a method from this topic. Alright, so we need to do that. So how we do this topic? So I need to do equal to send new methods. The method with action should be unsubscribe, and the payload should be topic equal exactly topic parameter topic. That's my kid. He angry, looking for me to play with him. Okay, so we need to send the unsubscribe method into the server side. So let's open this unsubscribe. Okay, so let's open the server PubSub, and we need to where is listen. Okay, public unsub. I want to put below of the subscribe. So okay, unsub. Right. Break. Alright, so we got this unsubscribe. We got the client ID, and we know this client ID no longer subscribe this topic. So we do need to correct this by cut topic unsub. Topic equal unsubscribe topic equal this get methods and payloads dot topic. It should be methods dot payloads dot topic. Right, so we do by if unsubscribe topic, and then we can make a new function by this handle unsubscribe. The first parameter equal topic unsubscribe topic. I'm sorry, unsubscribe topic. and second parameter is a client ID. We need to, so we do need to create this function. Right, handle public add subscription. It should be below. Code this dot by it. So we'll handle, this should be below at handle add subscription. I want to add a function by first this topic and next client ID, same. Handle and right topic. So then let's see, when we do add new subscriber to, we need to add the add client. So now we do need to remove it by do this by subscription ID. You take topic client ID. Okay, so we need to do by cost client, same thing, cost client equal this dot get client ID, and if client, and then we do by remove this cost client dot subscription equal client dot subscription dot filter with exactly subscription return subscription dot subscription ID. Okay, so so we need to check what exactly subscription ID. I do think subscription with ID equal ID and ID subscription. We do need it, but we do need to check a subscription ID. How we can find subscription ID? So let's do it by card subscription equal, it should be a user subscription. We need to find subscription by user ID, by client ID. So we did it by call this, and subscription, it should be a class subscription, a subscription class. We do have this, and an map. So we do need to set find by client ID. It's a shortcut connection ID. So we need to find all subscription ID. So simply we do by so in PubSub function handle and subscription dot filter dot dot get subscription should be called to a function get subscription, and our filter with add subscription return add dot client ID equal exactly client ID. Right, cool. So now we need to do user subscription dot for each. We loop everything by subscription. Now client, and here we need to do the first thing, we need to remove our subscription by less client sub equal we do the loadout function gets client subscription. On default should be an array. Now we need to remove all the subscription ID from client. So we got cost ads ID equals subscription ID subscription ID equal sub.id. It should be exactly subscription.id. And we got client ID and thrice. And I think we can do by and we are removed by WebSocket, so we need to add dot try equal WebSocket. It should be only filtered by WebSocket. So we got all user subscription. Now we got subscription ID, add ID. So we can do by client subscription equal client subscription dot filter by ID. When we only take an all the ID by ID is not equal to subscription ID, so we can remove this as ID. I'm sorry, let's remove this line. We don't need this variable. And after that, let's update client subscription by call it if client, and then we call this dot set client add client, should be add client, and we call client dot subscription equal client subscription. So we need to remove. And what we do right here is going to remove. Now let's remove subscription by and call it by this dot subscription dot remove exactly ID, so the ID equal subscription dot ID. Client subscription. Okay, so cool. I think that is enough for now. Okay, so now let's make some kind of debug right here. Console log client unsubscribe client with ID, and should be client ID want to unsub topic. Okay. Now I think let's verify if something. So okay, unsub right. Okay, now let's do it by refresh Google Chrome and refresh Firefox. Now clear in the console. Now I want to make an again to broadcast to Firefox. You should see a high ABC, and I want to make a new function on the Firefox to unsubscribe this by call. Now I'm going to do window.ps.unsubscribe. It should be put parameter only one parameter, topic ABC. For now I want to ABC. Now let's hit this and check out on our server side. We need to see client with ID want to unsubscribe topic ABC. Now we want to make a test again. Now let's see if Firefox can receive a message. Now you see no longer receive a message, right? See, and you can call to window.ps.public to topic ABC and some kind of message with a body hi. Oh, now only Google Chrome receive a message from public, and Firefox no longer receive it because he did unsubscribe topic. Now want to subscribe again. Now we can call by window.ps.subscribe again one more time topic ABC with the method parameter is the method, and I want to make a console log methods topic methods topic ABC. Okay, methods method from topic ABC, and we can pass some so now hit enter. Now is the Firefox browser client, this client equals subscribe topic. Now once again I want to broadcast some hi Firefox again. Now you should see a message coming again more time. It works cool. And again now I want to send something by ps window.ps.broadcast to ABC. Now Google Chrome should see. Oh, I'm sorry. Body. Hi Chrome. How are you? Now you should see message. Hi Chrome. How are you? New message again. Now we want to send again to Chrome. How are you? Should Chrome see it? Now in Chrome, I don't want to receive this topic anymore. So window.ps.unsubscribe this topic. Let's call it ABC. Now it's enter. Again, I want to clear the console, and again the Firefox sent to Chrome. Chrome no longer receive the message. Okay, so this is how it works, and for unsubscribe. And I want to tell you one more thing. And before we in the last video we talking about automatically to reconnect. So I fixed the problem and reconnect by set a timeout to second when we call a function reconnect, and it is fixed problem. And we can clear the timeout when it is connect. Okay, that is an issue. I fixed that for problem. And another issue on the PubSub on server side. Okay, so I want to remove this log method. And when client is closed, the connection is closed between server and client. So I call this function user subscription.get subscription by client ID and user subscription.add subscription.remove. It's okay, but I think we need to find get subscription.remove it, and we also need to remove the user subscription by this. The first thing we need to do now, let's remove client. But I can do this dot remove. We need to remove the client from the client map when he is a disconnect from the server. So make a new function, remove client. Remove client should be client ID. Remove client ID exactly client socket when he is connect. So we do need to make this function, this dot remove client equal with the binding function remove. Sorry, the by is. Now I want to do is where is the add client and keep it the same together. It's easy to look. ID remove a client when disconnect. After disconnecting. Alright, so like that. So we can do it by this dot client dot remove equal this dot client dot remove exactly ID. Okay, so it's done. Okay, that's enough for now. I will stop my tutorial here and see you in the next part. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye.